Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide by cosine x to the power of 2023 on numerator and denominator. So this one multiplied by this one, you got about number 1. So this one with this one, we will simplify and we have 1 over cosine x to the power of 2. And we know that this one that is about secant of x squared. So because we have same the power 2023, so we can combine two things together and we have x cosine x minus sine x over cosine x everything to the power of 2023. So x cosine x divided by cosine x and sine x divided by cosine x. So we have x minus tan x because sine x over cosine x, you got about tan x. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to x minus tan x. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x, you got about number 1. First derivative of tan x, we have secant of x squared dx. So this one we have u 1 minus secant of x squared dx, we change by du. And this one that is about u to the power of negative 2023 dx, du. So we have the formula in here. The integration of u to the power of n du, we have u to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1 and we put about c. Now we can apply this formula for this one in here and we got u to the power of negative 2023 plus 1 over negative 2023 plus 1 and we put about c. And this one we have negative 2022. This one we have 2022. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.